Cryptocurrencies have sparked a lot of interest among investors in recent months. As more people enter the cryptocurrency market, it becomes increasingly important to distinguish between the terms used to refer to these assets. This video will explain the distinctions between the three major cryptocurrencies: coins, tokens, and altcoins. Let us begin by understanding what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for encryption. The use of encryption techniques to secure and verify the transfer of transactions is referred to as cryptography. Bitcoin represents the first decentralized cryptocurrency, which is powered by a public ledger that records and validates all transactions chronologically, called the blockchain. So what is a coin? It is interesting to note that all coins or tokens are considered cryptocurrencies, even if the majority of the coins do not serve as a currency or medium of exchange. The term cryptocurrency is misleading because a currency is a unit of account, a store of value, and a medium of exchange. All of these characteristics are inherent in Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin's creation sparked the cryptocurrency space, any other coins conceived after Bitcoin are generally considered a cryptocurrency. The most common categorization of cryptocurrencies are alternative cryptocurrency coins or altcoins and tokens. Altcoins are simply coins that are an alternative to Bitcoin. The majority of altcoins are variants or forks of Bitcoin created by modifying Bitcoin's open source protocol, thereby creating an entirely new coin with a different set of features. Some examples of altcoins that are variants of Bitcoin's codes are Namecoin, Peercoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Aurora Coin. There are other altcoins that aren't derived from Bitcoin's open source protocol. Rather, they have created their own blockchain and protocol to support their native currency. Some examples of these coins are Ethereum, Ripple, Omni, BitShares, Neo, Waves, and Counterparty. All altcoins have one thing in common. They each have their own independent blockchain where transactions involving their native coins take place. Tokens are a representation of a specific asset or utility that is typically stored on top of another blockchain. Tokens can represent almost any fungible and tradable asset, from commodities to loyalty points to even other cryptocurrencies. Token creation is a much simpler process because you do not have to modify the codes from a specific protocol or create a blockchain from scratch. All you have to do is follow a standard blockchain template, such as the Ethereum or Waves platforms, to create your own tokens. The ability to create your own tokens is made possible by the use of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing programmable computer codes that do not require any third parties to function. An initial coin offering, or ICO, is used to create and distribute tokens to the general public. ICO acts as a means of crowdfunding through the release of a new cryptocurrency or token to fund project development. Tokens have a variety of applications, but they are broadly classified as security tokens and utility tokens. So what is utility tokens? The simplest way to describe a utility token is that it is a coin backed by a project. When users purchase utility tokens, they typically expect to receive some sort of benefit in return. This could be either a profit or a service. Because there is an upper limit on the maximum number of utility tokens available, their value usually rises due to the supply-demand equation. Because of their unique characteristics, utility tokens are classified as investment instruments. Many investors purchase utility tokens in the hope that their value will rise due to increased demand for the goods and services that the project in question intends to provide. Now let's look into security tokens. Security tokens, unlike utility tokens, do not have a utility attached to them. A security token is a digital representation of a traditional security, such as a stake in a company, bonds, or other ownership rights. In a nutshell, security tokens are basically securities in a tokenized form. From a legal and compliance standpoint, security tokens are much more heavily regulated by governments and organizations. This is because, in terms of the law, they function similarly to other securities.